The Bharatiya Janata Party has won the mandate for the fourth consecutive assembly election in Madhya Pradesh, has made a comeback in Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh, while the ruling Congress has suffered a major setback in two states in the Hindi heartland. The Congress's poor showing in this round of assembly polls is only expected to consolidate its position in the margins of the India alliance. The party, which was hoping to retain Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan and register a win in Madhya Pradesh, has trailed far behind the BJP in all three. The only silver lining is Telangana, where the party has managed to dislodge the decade-old government of K. Chandrasekhar Rao. In the Hindi heartland, barring Himachal Pradesh, Congress is nowhere in power. It is a junior partner in Bihar and Jharkhand. All other Hindi heartland states are with the BJP. With this kind of result, the Congress, which won only one Lok Sabha seat in Madhya Pradesh and two in Chhattisgarh in the last Lok Sabha elections in 2019, starts another test next year in the Hindi heartland. The party looks limited to the southern regions of India. The loss of these three states is a significant concern for the Congress, as it indicates that the party's electoral strategy centered around caste census did not work with the voters. The electoral contest has been a disappointment for the Congress in Madhya Pradesh, where they were hoping for a return to power. The party entrusted the leadership to Kamal Nath, 78, and Digvijay Singh, 76, but they failed to counter the BJP's social engineering and social scheme formula. Led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the BJP deployed central ministers and Lok Sabha MPs to campaign vigorously in Madhya Pradesh. Meanwhile, the sniping in the India alliance that keeps making headlines appears to have started. Bengal's ruling Trinamool Congress accused the Congress of having an entitled attitude and advised it to introspect. This is not a success of BJP, this is a total failure of Congress, said Trinamool spokesperson Kunal Ghosh. The Congress must come out from its zamindari mentality and must share and implement the experience of other senior leaders like Mamata Banerjee, he added. The Congress defeat is not the defeat of the India alliance, declared Senior Janata Dal United leader KC Tyagi. It has been made clear that the Congress cannot compete with BJP. The Congress will have to come out of this syndrome, he said. The Congress, he added for good measure, has already distanced itself from the constituent parties and scoffed at the alliance meeting called by the Congress on December 6. What use are rain when the crops have dried up, was how he put it. Veteran Nationalist Congress Party leader Sharad Pawar toned it down. Agreeing that this verdict will not have any impact on the India alliance, he said, "We will be meeting at Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence in Delhi. We will speak to those who know the ground reality. We will be able to comment on it only after the meeting." He, however, attributed the Congress gains in Telangana as an effect of Rahul Gandhi's Kanyakumari to Kashmir Bharat Jodo Yatra, saying such an outcome was clear from the beginning. But the alliance may still have to rethink its strategy, given that Congress defeat in the Hindi heartland also may indicate that its caste census plank did not resonate with the voters in the Hindi heartland. With just a few months left before Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeks a historic third term, the Congress has had to rely on its allies. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has already reached out to the leaders of the India bloc to meet next week. The battle for 2024 is now fully underway, but it appears that the Congress will have to make significant efforts to challenge the BJP's dominance.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.